In case you missed it, the center hosted our open house last Wednesday to celebrate our name change to a new location. But if you did miss it, don't worry, because I'm here to give you the virtual open house. So first up, this is the food pantry. Anyone who comes here who wants food or needs it even can come and grab whatever they like. There's a range of selection from breakfast things to even personal care, snacks. One thing that we do are TED Circles, which are student run, and they're talking about topics that are relevant to current day things, issues. Most recently it was about pollinators, but in the past it was things like fast fashion or water pollution. So basically they're just going to be talking about stuff that's important, and then they have questions they ask questions to the audience about what they think about it. So we also do voter engagement, which includes things like voter registration, education, and mock convention. So we also have a lot of volunteer opportunities. And this includes things like going to Toddler Arboretum, beautiful garden. We helped out with a lot of different tasks there, like painting a shed, picking up sticks. I think even some groups were fixing a bridge or something like that. Very, very good, very fun, and definitely a beautiful garden. So this is the campus garden. Anyone can come here and take anything they'd like, except for that. Don't take that. So that was the tour. If you'd like to learn more, you can go to our website at socialimpact.psu.edu, or you can scan this QR code and follow us on Engage.